How you doing?
Good, good. I thought you forgot about me, man.
Oh yeah, no worries. Yeah, I saw your voicemail message. Yeah, I thought it was at 4:30. My bad.
No, no, no. You good? It was because I saved the thing in my calendar, and I thought it was my phone because I just recently switched to an iPhone, so still trying to figure out, the ins and outs of this thing. I feel old over here. My question for you is, as far as doing, I was on the website and I was looking at the stack method, which seems like this would be best for assuming this and taking over in this situation. Now, I'm not sure how the loans work on your side nor the commercial side as far as assuming a $2.6 million loan. So on your side, where does credit come in? Is that even a factor at this point?
So there's no credit, well, from our part, but typically, what we normally do is have the first position lender, like a DSR lender comes in at first position, and then there's some equity, right? Some funds. Then do a second seller carry, where that's where the stack method comes in because it's one loan, right? Which is the mortgage, um, the first position loan, and then the second one will be the seller carry, based on the term. It's like a seller finance.
Right,
Um,
so they'll carry the down payment, right?
yeah, so there'll be, instead of putting the down payment up front, you and the seller, you guys agree that you make the down payment, with terms, make a monthly payment on that down payment instead of giving up front. So pretty much you have two payments on that multifamily, right? Monthly.
Yeah, I don't think that'll work for this one as far as assuming the loan. Now, paying off their loan. So if yeah, I had to figure out what the actual balance is, and if we can pay them off the balance, clear their loan, so that way you're able to be in first position because there's already a first position loan on this one.
Yeah, so I won't be like the first position loan. It'll be someone else. Maybe for someone else to do that first position loan, right?
Yeah, the lender, yeah.
The lender, yeah. Typically like a DCR lender, or maybe a apartment lender, that does a first position loan on that. Um, yeah, multifamily, and then the seller will become the second position on that property, and then you make monthly payments, one for the lender and another one for the seller on the seller carry. Um, but typically, that stack method is when the seller wants a big down payment, but they agree to do with terms. Instead of the down payment up front, they're willing to do it. A monthly, yeah, payment for that down payment.
Okay, so I need to figure out their assumption qualifications, and yeah, I'm gonna call the agent and see how both of those sides would look like. Basically, is under the assumption and coming in with my own financing.
Yep.
I would definitely keep you posted and let you know how it goes.
Yep. Yeah, appreciate joining the taking time a call with me. But yeah, let me know if you have any question. And
Okay. 'Cause, yeah, I may be interested in that too, so I'll keep you posted on that as well.
yeah, and there's no upfront fee for that one compared to the EMD or the stack method. There's no upfront fee. But we do need like a 7 day notice. Meaning that once you submitted it, we approve it, and then once you email the title company and CC us, that's where we start the clock.
Gotcha. Well,
Yeah.
yeah, I definitely have more than 7 days, before more than 7 day notice. So
Yeah, but we also glad to help. Less than 7 days. It's just that we charge an extra point, so it'll be 2.5% for the extra point for the rush fee.
gotcha. Okay.
Yep, and then for that one, you just need two purchase sale agreement.
Yep. A to B and B to C.
Yep, and then just Just to make sure, put the LLC and also your name as well.
So wait, does it have to be in the? Well, I would prefer to do the LLC. So does it have to be in my LLC?
No, you could be your LLC and your and the member of the LLC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
yeah, cause in the past we have like people submitted double close and they just put the LLC, but but we don't know who's the member or the control of that LLC. So, but I could help you give you like a example of it. Um,
Yeah, I got you. Just sign both on the lines, like member of, because I'm an agent too, right? So I represented LLC, um, like on investors who have LLCs. So you got to put under it like signing on behalf or member
yep,
of, or yeah. So
yep,
gotcha.
yeah, you should yeah your name under the LLC. Yeah, just for us to be quicker, smoother, smoother. Yeah, on the process.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, seems like we are all good, brother.
Yep. Um. Yep. You appreciate the call, but yeah, let me know if you have any other questions. Um. All right. All right. Thank you again. Yeah, keep it posted, and then yeah, maybe hopefully do another deal before the end of the year.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, and hopefully.
All right. Well,
Yeah, so definitely be in touch.
yep. Enjoy the rest of your day.
All right, me too. Talk soon.
Talk to you. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye. Bye.